Hello, I'm Jason with CodeLearner.com. Here in Lesson 9, what we're going to do is take a tour, a little bit of a deeper tour around the Eclipse Editor. I'd just like to make you a little more comfortable and a little more familiar with what we're dealing with here. The number one thing to remember is that the Eclipse Editor is really a professional level Java integrated development environment. And so there's a ton of features. As you learn and start to master Java over the years, you might find lots of uses for these features, but right now we're really more concerned with just understanding the basics of Java. So there are many things that I'll never cover. And I want you to understand that if I don't cover them, it doesn't mean they're not useful. It just means that they're not relevant and not that important to understanding the basics of Java. So here we are in the overarching bird's eye view of everything here. Here we have our last file that we were just working on, open lesson8.java, and in here we can see we have our code. So naturally you're going to type your code into the center window into this Java file. That's where we're going to be editing our code and doing all of that stuff. Now on the left hand side is what we call the Package Explorer. This is basically a directory view of all of the projects that you've created in your workspace. So notice, remember, we had lesson 7 and now we have lesson 8, and you can kind of see, you can drill down these guys here. You can see that inside the lesson 7 package or project, there's a source folder. And when you drill down inside the source folder, inside what they call the default package, we have our Java file, lesson8.java, which is right here. If you were to add additional Java files to this particular project, they would show up here just like a folder structure. Now let me go and show you something. This is my workspace that I have for the lesson development for this course, and you can see that there's a metadata file that Eclipse created, but there is a lesson 7 project and a lesson 8